Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I went shopping at Walmart early this morning and I picked up a few more items than I intended to because I saw some really cool stuff. So I'm going to share it all with you. Then I'm going to give you some tips on how you could use these and embellish them. So let's get started. Walmart sells these pre-cut bundles of fabric and it's really inexpensive. One of the reasons why I like to buy the pre-cut bundles is because if you've ever bought fabric at Walmart, it usually takes a while to get somebody to come in and cut your fabric. And oftentimes you get a poor young man from the electronics department who has no idea how to cut fabric, and you often have to help them on how to cut the fabric. So I like to look for these, and this is a really nice little knit. It's a light violet, a stretch knit, 2 yards for $4. Now here's another little pre-cut bundle of fabric. This is also, it's got a light stretch to it, not much. I thought this would make a nice little t-shirt top, light and cool, and you get 2 yards for $2. So that's a really good bargain. Here are a couple of polyester, very lightweight fabric, and in this one you get 2 yards for $4. So you could make a couple of infinity scarves out of this, make one for yourself, give it as a gift, or you can make a nice little lightweight summer top. Same thing with this one. This is also $4, 2 yards, nice little fabric, make a great summer top or a couple of infinity scarves. I thought this towel was really cute and it was screaming at me to put a little embellishment along the bottom. This was only 96 cents. So you can make some really quick little projects. You can make them as a gift or just use it in your own kitchen. So I thought this really cute and what a bargain. This is a table runner. It's the Walmart Mainstays brand, and it is 13 inches wide by 72 inches. Now, I make a lot of table runners, but every now and then a special occasion pops up. I don't have time to make a table runner for it, so I like to look for these that are plain and I can embellishment. And here's a picture of it so you can see how it can easily drape over the table if you've got a long table. And this was $9.96. This is yarn. This is by Peaches and Cream is what it's called. And these two right here are called their original packaging. And then this one here is also Peaches and Cream, and it's called Stripey, and it has multicolored yarn in it. And normally I do not buy yarn anymore. I used to crochet, but I have an issue with my right hand. It doesn't work very well anymore. So I avoid projects that require very fine motor skills. I can't do it anymore. But the reason why I bought the yarn is I found this handy little tool, and it says make your own pom-poms. It makes 3 different sizes, and it's made by Jan Lynn. And it says not only can you use yarn, but you can use ribbon and fabric to make the pom-poms. So I'm going to try this out in a later video and I'll let you know how it all works out. But it looks like it's a really fun and not too difficult project at all. This is a set of Mainstays soft microfiber pillowcases. So if you ever need extra pillowcases, you can just buy them in a set of 2. This is kind of a dusty blue color. And then here's another one by Better Homes and Gardens. It's 300 thread count, and it's a grayish with a white print on it. So I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to embellish these. I also have videos on how to make your own pillowcases, but maybe some of you don't have time or you don't really want to do that, but you may have a few minutes to embellish them. On the kitchen towel, I like the fall colors that are in this. So I have some brown ribbon here. You could place it right over that border and then take some orange, because there's a little bit of orange in there, place it on top. So you would stitch this ribbon down on each side of the ribbon, wrap the ends of the ribbon around to the back and stitch along the side, stitch this one on top. And then also you could do pom-pom fringe. It's also by Simplicity, and you can get it at Walmart. So if you don't like the ribbon idea, you can always stitch this at the bottom of the towel. You can either stitch it behind the towel like that at the bottom, or place it on top and stitch it at the bottom of the towel. Really inexpensive project to do and very, very quick. For this table runner, I wouldn't do a lot. I would just add a little bit of trim at the lower edge. If you wanted something just very basic, you could add this little pom-pom fringe or the little tassel fringe. But what I'm going to be looking for is beaded fringe. Now this beaded fringe doesn't go with it, but it's kind of what I had in my stash of beads. But this table runner would really look nice with some clear crystal looking beads across the lower edge. Here is some little ruffle eyelet trim. It's made by Simplicity, and you can also get this at Walmart. And you could, if you wanted to make these pillowcases just a little bit longer, you could place this on the inside edge and then stitch it on the back side and place it all the way around the end of the pillowcase. And it'll make it a little more homey looking, especially if you like that kind of country lace look. Here's another sample of lace trim by Simplicity, and you can also get this at Walmart. And on this particular one, you could, oh, let's see, let me get the tape off of this. I probably, if I was doing this for myself, where the stitch line is, where this part here is folded under, and there's a stitch line here, you could put this right over that stitch line and put it all the way around the pillowcase, and it makes a very elegant looking pillowcase. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope I've inspired you to try some of these projects that I talked about. If you're interested in the video links to learn how to embellish towels, make pillowcases, table runners, and clothing, check below your YouTube screen for the video links. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up button. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell so you can receive notifications about my latest videos. I'm Cheryl, and this is Scotty, and this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!